You said?
Reading introduction. First of all, my name is Brother Samuel.
Yeah.
Here is my boss, my CEO.
Yeah, your boss.
Mohammed Suri. Nice to meet you. This is my boss for the estate.
Yeah.
And the estate is very beautiful. So when you take any place inside the estate, it's so good. I think you can see our pool. The pool is very nice.
Yeah.
So when you come, you swim and you see the ocean. As you see in the ocean and you see my boss, so you can turn to him. And the other thing again, Fork Eye Security Agency, we are the best in town in Gambia here. You understand? If you are looking for a best and reliable security agency, contact us. Fork Eye, you understand, is the best security agency in Gambia. We are reliable of taking care of your property, household, anything. You understand? As long as security is concerned. My name is Mohammed Suri, the supervisor of Fork Eye Security Agency. I'm representing the Jam Waterfront.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Why do they call it Jam Waterfront?
Well, Jam Waterfront is because of the hotel. It's close to the seaside. You can see, and you know the tourists, they love being in the area.
Wow. Fatmata is calling. We completed.
Exactly.